welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to change the difficulty in EA FC24. Now, when you first play FC24, it can auto-generate from your past games, or it can assess your first game and then recommend you a difficulty. Sometimes this is set to hard, so when you're on the main page in FC24, you want to come left here and you'll see the little cog icon here in the top left hand corner. This is the settings. Pretty hard to find if you've never been on FC24 before, so let's click into that. Then in this page you want the main settings, so let's select settings here. Now you want game settings, so let's click into game settings. Then you want to press R1 to go into the match section across the top here. Then you'll see the difficulty levels. Currently I'm set to world class. There's legendary, beginner, amateur and semi-pro and professional. So world class obviously is the hardest and beginner is obviously a beginner. So you can set your difficulty level however you wish. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like and smash the subscribe. Thanks for watching.